I can't wait. Like, what?
If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? What is it doing you right? Watching movies.
Hey you guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Simone. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, thank you for tuning in and continuing to support me. You guys, wow, I haven't vlogged in like 2 months. I've posted other videos, but like being like super personal, talking to you guys, I haven't done it in a while, and I've had so much going on. Last week, I actually got back from France, so if you did not see that video, go check it out. It was the very last video that I posted. It was such a great trip, honestly. So I went to the south of France. I went to Cannes, Nice, Monaco. I stayed in a town called Les Baux-Salus. I think that's how you pronounce it. Please don't kill me if you are from France or if you speak French. I tried, baby, I tried. But yeah, like it was a great time. I really needed that time to like recharge, reset, and like just reset my entire mental, because I needed a break from everything, just life. So that trip was like awesome. I had a great time, but I'm back home in my own environment. So I figured, you know, I'm gonna vlog this weekend, chat with you guys, talk to you guys. Right now I'm just fixing up my hair, doing my hair because I need to run some errands today. I really want to get some new pillow sets for my bedroom because it's kind of bland right now. It's very minimal, and I love a minimal look, but it's just like too minimal. I need like a little bit more character. So I'm gonna go see if I can find some cute pillows today, but if I can't, I'm definitely gonna find some this weekend because I need an upgrade to my bedroom. But yeah, before the trip, I was definitely in a funk, like just trying to get back on my normal routine. And even coming back, like I still haven't been to the gym. I've still kind of been eating whatever, and I told myself that starting this weekend I will be back in the gym. I'm gonna go to the grocery store, restock on everything that I need. Like I need to get back on track, like because I was doing so good, so well. I felt so good, and now I'm kind of in like a weird space. And it's almost that time of the month, so I'm feeling a little bit drained. My energy is like gone. So I want to get my energy back. I want to start feeling good again. So I'm about to get back in the gym and be way more consistent than what I even was before, and eat so much better. I really want to go on a Mediterranean diet. So if you don't know what that is, look it up. It's supposed to be a really good diet for you. So, you know, I think I'm gonna start that this week so we can get all of this nice and snatched, all of this nice and toned. I just want to look good and feel good again. So yeah, I'm ready. But yeah, this is like the back of my hair. It's coming out so cute. I have to finish curling it, but I need to run some errands today. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and I will see you guys later. Wait, cause y'all see the pillows in the back, like it just looks so sad. So that's why I was like, we really need to like do something about that because it's very basic and it looks a mess. So now y'all see why I'm like so pressed to get new pillows. I also have like this really pretty pampas grass in my bathroom, so I'm thinking maybe if I put something like this in there, it'll also liven it up a little bit. Because as y'all can see, it kind of like matches my backdrop. So I'm thinking like if we put it, well, this is too big, but we would need a smaller one. But if we put it kind of like that, that'll also look cute. It looks crazy right now because it's so huge. But if I had a little one to go like right underneath the lamp, that might look cute too. So yeah, that's what I'm like really hoping that I can find some like cute pillows so that way everything will come together, because it's so minimal and I love minimal, but like this is like, I need something. It needs like some type of character, you feel me? So I'm back from running errands. I just got back, and honestly y'all, nothing surprises me when it comes to myself anymore. I went in the store and got every single thing that I didn't even go there to get and forgot the things that I went in the store to purchase. And I'm kind of upset because I didn't see any like cute pillows for the bedroom like I said I was gonna get. So at some point this weekend I have to go back to the store to try to find some pillows, because I told y'all this weekend I'm getting some new ones. So yeah, I'm kind of like annoyed about that. But y'all know what I'm not annoyed about, that I'm really happy about. So went to Target and I found these really cute purses. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I'm gonna show you the first one. I got two of the same purses, but how adorable is this? And the quality is so good. And it also has the strap so you could do like a little side look. But the buckle and everything is just so classy and cute and dainty. Cute little bucket bag, adorable. And I had to get the same one in black because I always need a black bag. But yeah, look. Super cute from Target. Go get it and look at the price. Yeah, exactly. So I got two really cute bags. I really love them. And then I also went to TJ Maxx and got some more bathroom stuff. So I got this new shower caddy from there. So adorable, really earthy, and it goes perfect with my bathroom because right now I just have a regular silver one in there, but this one has like that white rim that matches my white backdrop. And then as you guys saw earlier, I had that really cute papayas grass. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but you saw that the color was like that really nice beige color or nude color. So I think this will go perfect in my bathroom. It'll be way more cute than the silver one that I have. And then I also, you know, I gotta get my little other things from TJ Maxx, but I got this really cute basket to put my new washcloths in because I needed to restock on washcloths. I like to restock on washcloths like every 5 to 6 months. So I got some fresh white ones. I love these. So we're gonna roll them, put them in a basket, put them in the bathroom, and then just chill. I do have dinner tomorrow with my friends, so I have to figure out what we want the outfit to be. But yeah, that's what we have planned for tomorrow. Just nice, cute dinner. But yeah, we're about to go and put these in the basket and chill. Alright, so I finished with the washcloth, so now I'm about to go in and replace my shower caddy that's up here with the new one. So we're about to do that. So the way I do it is usually put my shampoo and conditioner all the way at the top because I don't use this obviously as much as my soap and stuff. Then I'll put my body wash in the middle along with like my body scrubs, and then my bar soaps will go at the little bottom along with my loofahs and washcloths. And there we go. It looks so much better, so much neater, cleaner. Just with the wood and the white caddy instead of the silver one, it added so much more character to my shower. So I love it. I love it a lot. And it goes with my bathroom way more. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to go and eat some lunch, chill, watch some TV. I actually watched the new episode of Power, the series finale today. And it was actually a happy ending. I thought a lot more people were not going to make it, but I don't know. It was good. But then at the end they did, I don't know if I should say this. If you didn't watch it, please skip this part. But if you did watch it, then you saw that there's going to be like another Power series because it said Power Never Ends. And then it was this clip of Tyreek basically speaking to somebody on the phone saying like he was coming to wherever they were. I think it's Tommy. Who do y'all think Tyreek was on the phone with? But yeah, I watched that this morning. I've been watching Love is Blind because they have the DC one right now. So I'm about to go watch a few more episodes of that, have my lunch, and then just chill until it's time for me to make some dinner. So I'm in the middle of like making my dinner. I just made a nice fresh salad to go with the chicken that I have in the oven, and then I'm doing some mashed potatoes. But I'm trying to keep it as healthy as possible. So yeah, I made a salad. I told myself I'm gonna have a salad with almost every meal this week. Almost, not all, but almost. All right, you guys, so I'm about to take it down, eat my dinner, watch TV, and I will see you guys tomorrow because we are going out to dinner. Hey, you guys, so it is currently the next day and I'm about to go to dinner, but before I go, I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys because I bought a new wallet. The old one that I had was like busted and I've been waiting to get a new wallet for forever, so I purchased one from Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, and then we're going to get ready and I'm going to show you what I'm wearing at dinner, and then we're going to go.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often, oh, baby, you can give it something, baby, I can run all the time, baby, I'm talking crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late.
So y'all saw the wallet is so cute, very classy, very simple, but that's all I needed because my last wallet, it had too much going on and I really just needed a new one. So I treated myself to a new wallet and it's really cute and classy. But I wanted to show y'all my fit really quick for dinner. It's nothing crazy, very chill, very cozy because we are officially in fall season. So I'm definitely gonna start bringing out my little sweaters. But I'm wearing this really cute blush pink sweater with the white shirt, my fitted jeans. They fit so well, you guys. And then I just have on some white heels. They're very small, a very small heel, very comfortable to walk in. And then I just have my silver purse that I love to carry everywhere, my little bucket bag. So yeah, my outfit is very simple but very cute. And then I just have on like my everyday jewelry, really dainty. And yeah, we're ready to go. And the restaurant that I'm going to, I've been there a few times, but they have really good oysters, and I've been like thinking about oysters all week, like literally all week. So I'm like so hyped. I can't wait to get them. They're gonna be so good, so yummy. Like I can't wait. Like what?
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you in the
I thought that the last time we went out.
You did.
a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who's
It's our toilet quite plainly.